Everybody say hi.
Hola.
It's the harvest bag stuffing tonight, and before we stuff that, we gotta stuff our bellies. Ooh, look at that. You got both kinds, veggie and regular. Alice got some dipping sauce. Nice. Very nice. Woo! Alberto's two-fisted there.
And this is how it's supposed to be done. Lots of chili peppers.
Double nuts.
And
Are there
Parmesan
any chili
cheese.
peppers left?
Oh, I kept them for you.
3. Holy moly, would you look at that?
Are you ready to start stuffing?
Almost.
We're organizing sticker stuff.
Still organizing the sticker department. Willisburg West, Heritage, Summit Racing, ECS, Tectonics, MP, CIP, Just Campers, Project VW, VWNOS over in H-Town, West Coast Metric, Heritage Summit, West Coast Metric again, Retro Sound, Coker, MP, NOS, MST, Project V, Hot VWs.
Hey, we got a bucket.
J-Bugs! And we got Buckethead over here, Boxhead, Head Box, Wolfsburg, Go Westy, Stay Bill from our buddy Old Volksbits, J-Bugs, Stay Bill, Bill Stay. More J-Bugs, more CIP, MP, Retro Sound, VWNOS, holy smokes. West Coast Metric Bags. All right, so they're killing it in there. I mean, they did a top-notch job, pun intended. All right, let's go see what our fearless duo is working on in here. They're the chief raffle creators. Oh, quietly working. Look at that. Look at that. These guys look like they know what they're doing. These guys are pros. Very nicely done, gentlemen. Look at the meticulousness. That's what it's all about there. The bag stuffing is going great. Look at all the goodies. Look at all the goodies. This is all mystery trunk down there, except that's all that. All right, these boys are working hard there. This is where the magic happens, folks. All right, look at this. There's Boxhead Tony. We're stuffing these things full. These are your swag bags. Remember, the harvest is a free show thanks to all these wonderful sponsors. That's what makes it happen. Woohoo! Thanks to our sponsors. Oh, look at that.
Woohoo!
Alice is a veteran stuffer. Alice, how many years have you been stuffing bags here at the harvest?
Since 1842, guys!
That's empty right there.
What's better than empty?
Alberto's a veteran stuffer.
Oh, yeah.
Tony's, this is I think a sophomore season. We got Double Nuts. He's a rookie.
I studied stuffology in college. So I have my PhD in stuffology. So we're good. You can trust me.
Megan, she's seen it on tape, so she watched the YouTube channel practicing.
I'm a novice stuffer.
Yeah. Alrighty, everybody. Well, you saw the prep that goes into getting ready for the harvest. This is the results. Tommy's trailer is stuffed, and we're not exactly like the best movers. It looks like a hurricane hit through here. But anyway, this is what it takes. The trailer is just a live sim. It has everything. It's a whole show. It's car show in a trailer. We do have car show in a box. Now we have it taken to the nth degree of car show in a trailer. The harvest is coming. 2024. We're so excited. We really are. It's going to be a good one. The new site, we're excited about that. Yes, there's going to be some hiccups. That's okay. We understand that. But we're excited nonetheless. Thank you guys for joining us today on VW Life. Make sure that you check us out at All Makeshift Garage. We got some, well, there's probably all kinds of stuff. Look at some of that Harvest stuff there. Look at all those famous Harvest, the stickers, dash plaques, shirts, all kinds of goodies still. Please tell your aunts and tell your uncles and tell everybody you know about VW Life. This is what it's all about, everybody, getting this show together. The harvest is coming, man. It's ready. And there it is. Car show in a box, everybody. Until next week, we'll see you guys.
Know when to hold 'em.
When to hold 'em.
Know when to fold 'em.
When to fold 'em.
Know when to walk away. Know when to run. You never count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time for counting. When the dealing's done.
When the dealing's done.